The world is in desperate need for change, a change for the better, a change that will allow future generations to thrive.
80% of all global value creation comes from family-owned businesses, and we believe that family offices and future leaders are at the very heart of the change that needs to happen.
We see the need for change that embraces innovative thinking, cutting-edge science, and sustainable technologies.
A change that restores family values and promotes the well-being of our communities.
A change that honors our business needs and simultaneously embraces our best selves.
A lasting change that we can all be proud to leave behind as our legacy for generations to come.
So be part of a growing community of family offices who are creating a better future for themselves, their companies, their families and employees, local communities, and the greater world.
Nordic Family Office and the Quantum Learning Academy have the pleasure of inviting family offices and future leaders to a 5-day exclusive family office retreat in Trogir, Croatia.
Throughout detailed presentations, trainings and discussions on topics such as the art of leading a family enterprise and the art and science of cultivating a quantum mindset, we will embark on a journey that ultimately navigates you to being the change that you want to see in the world.
This retreat is brought to you by Dr. Theresa Bullard and Alan Wyke from the Quantum Learning Academy and Mette Bellari and Engeline Verge Tobias from Nordic Family Office.
Together, this team has decades of experience with personal and leadership development, science, spirituality, and collaboration with family-owned enterprises and future leaders throughout the world.
Reserve your place today, and we look forward to seeing you for this life-changing experience.